On the day this Air Jordan 1 came out, I actually got the dub on the Nike sneakers app of all places. And shipping took forever, but I finally do have it in hand. And it proved to be kind of limited. Now, I don't know if that was because some sneakers fell into the ocean, like a lot of people have been saying, or the Herbert family got most of the stock and is currently on the resale market. But I am thankful that I got my pair and I caught this dub on the Nike sneakers app. So in today's video, what we're going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing for the sneaker and I'm going to do a full detailed review for you. And we start right now. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much for stopping by and spending your time with me and watching another video. I really appreciate you guys. But if this is your first time visiting my channel, my name is James and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports related items. And if you all could just take a moment out to destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm and puts my videos out in front of more people. And if you're new or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop one of these bangers and you don't miss anything. Whenever a Jordan 1 High comes out, I seem to never be able to catch a dub on them. I always take L after L after L. And as we've seen this past weekend with the University Blues that just came out, you know, they're really hard to get. And the more fire the colorway, the more that the resale value skyrockets and they're even more impossible to get. So when I caught the dub on this sneaker, I was like, yes, I finally got one after so long. Like, it's been a minute since I hit on a Jordan 1 High. And I have seen on social media and YouTube, there has been some questions about if men should pick up women's exclusive because this Air Jordan 1 Silvertoe was a women's exclusive. But I'm going to tell you the honest truth. Nike and Jordan Brand just use that women's exclusive tag when it comes to a sneaker like this in order to market towards women, to get them to spend money, essentially to make them more money in the long run. But whenever you have a sneaker like this that has extended sizing, you can best be sure that this is a unisex sneaker. This is something that Nike and Jordan Brand are anticipating that men also will purchase. So, I mean, they win on both sides of the coin. And I'm not saying that they don't have sneakers exclusive for women, but typically you'll see something like a bright pink flowery colorway or something like that, and the sizing will be more on the smaller side. But when you see an Air Jordan 1 in a fire colorway and it has extended sizing up to 16, you can rest assured that men will be able to pick those up too, and it's more of a unisex sneaker. So I finally got the Silvertoes in the mail, guys, so we're gonna unbox this together and see what my pair is looking like. They still got the Just Steal It tape on there, so shout out Nike for that. Now this comes in your predominantly red box with the black lettering. Now on the men's pairs it's reverse, so it's mostly a black box with the red lettering. But I like this box, it's pretty nice. Now the official size tag reads Women's Air Jordan 1 High OG, and the official colorway is black metallic silver, and this is a size 9.5, which translates to a men's 8. Inside the box you have white tissue paper. And let's take our first look at the sneaker. And my first impression right out of the box is these are crazy nice in hand. I mean, the materials feel very buttery, very tumbled on the mid panel here. This black leather feels very nice. It's not like the most premium leather or anything, but it's nice. I mean, it's not cheap either. Very nice materials. And I have to say, before this sneaker came out and I was looking at pictures online, I thought their colorway was dope. And I did want the sneaker, but I was a little bit skeptical as far as the materials go and stuff like that, because when it comes to this silver on the toe box and the back of the sneaker, I mean, this could have went one of two ways. Either it could have looked really fire, or it could have looked really cheap and just nasty. But now that I got it out of the box and I'm looking at it, I mean, this is a pretty dope sneaker. Alright, so starting here at the top, you do have this silver material with that Air Jordan Wings logo right there. And then you do have this black leather that goes down the lace holes around the entire front toe box. And this material is very buttery feeling. It's not top quality leather, but you wouldn't be disappointed by it either. And then in the mid panel, you do have this white temple leather that feels very, very nice. And then you do have that black Nike swoosh that goes across the middle. Now when it comes to the tongue, you do get a black nylon tongue with the Nike Air branding in white at the top. And then there's a shot of the front toe box that's done in silver, and that's where you get the name, the Silvertoes. Also on the right sneaker, you're gonna get that Nike Air hang tag, and this is very light. It's very plasticky. I mean, you could bend it and stuff like that. I mean, it's not very much substance to it, but it is a nice little touch. So if you did want to actually rock that on your sneakers, it's not gonna weigh your foot down or anything like that. Here's a shot of the back of the sneaker, so you can see that that silver wraps around the entire ankle and top portion of the sneaker, and it actually looks very, very nice on the sneaker, but I do feel like it's probably, very, very sensitive and delicate, so it's probably easy to scratch up, so just be careful with it. You also get an all-white rubber midsole that goes around the entire sneaker, and that sits on top of an all-black rubber outsole in your typical Nike Air Jordan 1 design. Now inside of the sneaker, you're going to have a black sock liner. But that material is actually satin. It's very soft. Like typically you get like more of like cloth-like material. Now I actually feel like that's actually probably going to make your ankle sweat when it gets more into the summer months when it's very, very hot out. But it is very, very comfortable. Inside of the sneaker, you're going to get an all-black insole with that white Nike Air branding that sits on top of it. Now this Jordan 1 comes with black laces already on it, but on the left sneaker you get these like shiny, glittery silver laces that I would never ever wear, but I mean, they do come with it, so, if you like that kind of thing, they do come with it. I gotta be honest, I actually like this sneaker more than I thought I would. The colorway's pretty dope. If you're a Raiders fan, you know what I mean? Like, I could see this being like a must cop for somebody like that, with the black and the silver. And I love Jordan 1s. I mean, the lows, the mids, or the highs. Like, I absolutely love them. The Jordan 1 is one of my top 5 sneakers of all time. And if you have the right fit with them, I mean, they're super easy to wear, super easy to match, and they look really, really clean. But when it comes to this sneaker right here, I just don't think like this is something that you could wear all the time. Like this isn't going to be like your daily, kicker or anything like that. But, you could pull this out once in a while, and with the right outfit, this is going to look dope. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a solid 7.5. It's a very dope sneaker. Now, currently on the resale market, you could pick these up between like $270 and $300 or so, depending upon size. And I honestly feel like if you caught an L on this or you slept on it, I think you should pick it up right now, or at least soon, because over time, Jordan 1s always go up in value. Now, women's releases, they tend to not go up as high as the men's, but this is still probably going to be about a $350 sneaker, probably very, very soon. So, while the prices are a little bit low, you might want to hop on this. And if you're a man thinking about picking this up, when it comes to sizing, what you're going to want to do is go up 1.5 sizes. So for example, for me, I normally wear a size 8 in Jordans, so I bought a 9.5 in this. So, all the sneakers on the resale market, they're going to be in women's sizing, so make sure you picked up the right size so, they actually fit you. But now I want to know what you think of my sneaker pickup here. Is this a cop? Was this a pass? Is this dope? Or is this trash? Comment down below and let me know what you think. I want to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could please hit that like button for your boy, I would really, really appreciate it, guys. And if you're new here or you haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports-related items. And until next video, peace.